Hi folks, Russ from ProSteamUK here. Today we're working on a commercial carpet clean, and what we do is we're actually using traditional hot water extraction along with encapsulation cleaning. So I'm going to introduce you to what we call hot water extraction, otherwise known as steam cleaning, and we use this method of cleaning on the high traffic areas. This is the entrance where people are going to walk in dirt from outside, and what you're going to see is I'm going to be flushing all that dirt from the carpet. Okay, so just check this out. So as you can see, it's a major improvement, okay? We have to remove the dirt from the carpet, and then once we've done that, we'll then use a machine that will lay an encapsulation shampoo on the carpet, which will make the colours pop, it will brighten the carpet up, okay? So we've used our Cymex machine, which is this machine here, on this main traffic area. And my colleague now is using an orbital machine, using that absorbent pad, just to kind of go over the carpet. And what that pad is doing now is it's absorbing any excess moisture along with any of the soils that may have wicked to the surface. We then launder those pads at a later date, and we find using this method, it really does accelerate drying massively, and that's pretty important because this commercial premises needs to be back in operation very quickly. So the less downtime, the better. And as you can hear, it's very quiet. And let's just stop for a moment there, Ian. Let's have a look at the pad. Let's see how much dirt the pad has drawn out of the carpet. I mean, just look at that. That is quite amazing, isn't it? So there you have it. So what we've done, we've steam cleaned this part of the carpet, and it's been end capped, and Ian is just finishing it off now with that machine to just to draw out any excess moisture. So there you go. ProSteam get great results because we have the machinery and the know-how, and that's why we're not the cheapest.